What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orki's the Garage. Shout out to the followers and subscriber out there. Today I'm working with my 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage, just the hatchback. This one right here. So basically I get this one from the auction, and the guy told me there's no problem. The car just like sitting there for a year, been impound for 2 years, for 1 year and a half, something like that. It cannot move the shifter, so I search. I have the code. I think it's the manufacturer P071C. It's a switch, transmission switch A high circuit. So I search on the ALLDATA. I take up the funnel. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the funnel right here. So it's very simple to get this one, and then I disassemble everything. This is what I got. So okay, let's see how to start this one. Let's put the panel. So basically take up this one, take up the middle part right here, and then on the back there's a plastic. I'm gonna show it to you. That one, there's two 10mm only, one right here and also one in the middle right here, and able to get to here. Okay, so I already take it off. I'm just gonna show it to you if you have the 2017 Mirage. Okay, and then taking off this one, the cover, take it up that. Have to be careful taking out this, and then there's lever right here, easy. And then before you get to that, so before you get to this, taking off the lights. I have to take off the lights, the small ones right here, then taking off. All right, so usually this is the, from here, this one right here, you have to press it in and able to get to the gear. All right, okay, let's show it to you right now. Right now I cannot get through unless I push it. Right here, going back. Once you go to the park, you cannot get through unless you push this one. All right, so what I found is this, the whole assembly right here is the module or the solenoid shifter, or whichever specific, or change transmission switch solenoid. Some is the whole assembly, but my gear, my cable is good. What happened was this one is partially disconnected, so there's not a lot of connection is coming in from this. So what I did is try to pull it off. I tried to pull take off this one, disconnect. I found out that this is not properly connect. All right, so I'm gonna turn off the car and then push it back. So it's like here, it's like this. What is that? It's partially connected, so I push it in. It should be good. Okay, should be good. I don't hear the click, but I gonna tug it in. Should be good, and then start the car. So now I start the car. You see that? You see the mechanism, the plastic one right here. Once I press my brake, you hear the clicks. See that? Meaning I can now shift properly. All right, this one is good. That one right here. So the leverage, once you press your brakes on the pedal, you hear the click. All the cars like that. So if this one is broken, you have to replace this one, the whole thing, or just check the connector first. Maybe it's not connected, properly connected. All right, so what I'm gonna do, put everything back and then replace this one, get the small one of the light bulbs later on, so I have the lights. All right. All right, so now I'm gonna put this one, put all my cover, put it in, put my lights. I'm gonna buy the lights later on, guys, don't worry, because this one I cannot pass the smog, so I have to. Right, so everything's fine. The next step is the cover, this one. Right, you hear the click. Next step is the whole assembly right here. Okay, all right guys, so it's the whole assembly, and then you're gonna work your carpet too. So under the carpet right here, get to the other side, make sure my carpet are good under the carpet. All right, so everything's worked like that. All right, everything's good. So 10mm, also on the bottom is 10mm. Before I put this one, it's basically it's easy to get through. To diagnose, you need to have ALLDATA to it. If you have ALLDATA, you are lucky. All right guys, I got my 10. And then there's another one on the back. Okay, this one right here, that one is good. Put this one in the middle one. This. Okay, and then right here, easy peasy guys. Once you have the ALLDATA, it's easy peasy, trust me. Okay, things that's it, because this one had a problem with me earlier. All right, so now last part, gonna put my shifter back. And then start the car again, just to make sure it's working. Alright guys, so put everything back. It's easy to take off this one, just 2 bolts, funnels, and screw. Oh, and also 2 clips right here, push pin clips right here on the side. Okay, that one, and also this one right here, both side, also that side too. All right, so start the car. You hear the click? Ooh, man, cross off the other problem. Things good. I don't need to use the spin, so everything's good. Problem solved number 1. The next one, I have a EBAP leak P0455 EBAP leak system large leak. All right, so I'm gonna do search. I get lucky because I used to work with the Mitsubishi before, and I still have access for the ALLDATA. All right, so thank you guys, thank you for watching. I hope my video really helped you. If you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe, or don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your support and help and love. So I'll see you guys soon. And then yeah, so this one, it's a manufacturer codes P071C, or just watch my video, because I couldn't find that manufacturer spec on the ALLDATA. So from here, just watch my video. It's very simple fix right here. Sometimes it's mechanical, sometimes it's electrical. So this problem is electrical. So yeah, it's you know, I thought I'm gonna spend a lot of money, but it's simple fix. I don't know how that connector that get disconnect. Usually it's hard to take it off, but you know, something's happened. But next thing, also I have the airbag. I don't know how to get to the airbag. I'm not certified. Alright guys, so thank you again for watching my video and support. I'll see you guys soon.